Real quick, I told you I was going to show you all the Plotly stuff, but I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way, less than 5 minutes, on how to turn your ggplot into a Plotly plot. I forgot I ran into this while I was making a web page for some stuff that we do. So if you remember where we left off last time, we had this plot. Okay, I'll do it down here. So here's our plot. Now, where's our labels? All right, real quick. Comma, geom, label, repel. Let's see here. Yes. Shoot. All right. As quick as possible here. Label equals row names. df. I think those are what we needed. Maybe. There it goes. So if you remember, we left off here, stuff was not so pretty. We had labels covering each other. So what we can do is we can make a Plotly plot, and I'll show you why that is great. Actually, just wanted to see what that would do. Okay, so if you do install.packages Plotly, that'll give you access to this guy. I'm not really going to do it because I already have Plotly installed. So we'll say library Plotly, and Plotly has a function in it called ggplotly, which is beautiful. So you can say ggplotly p, and you just give it your ggplot object. And over here, it looks like a pretty similar graph. A few things have changed, like the way they labeled stuff. For example, they've got a shape and color combination over here. But what's really nice about this is we can now click on it and turn things on or off. So you should notice stuff's disappearing. So you can turn things on and off. So have it only display certain things. So if you have a ton of data, it's really nice for breaking things down. You can actually zoom in. So say you've got some interesting data and you want to zoom in on individual sections, like we're like, what's going on up here? Now we can see the relationship between just those three real easy. So you just drag in to zoom in and double click to go back to the normal zoom. Another nice thing is you say, okay, there's a lot of stuff going on down here. What are these things? You can hold your cursor over the object and it tells you what their PC values are, as well as what treatment and what mutant they are, as well as just their name, their label name. So this is really handy if you've got kind of a busy graph that you want to be able to show everything on, but also break down a little bit. And I'll just show you one last thing, which is how to save this, because it's a little more tricky. So you got to do HTML widgets, save widget, and we're saving p as p1.html, and under self-contained you want to put true, and this we're going to take off because we want it to just save it in one spot. I probably don't have this installed. Actually, no, I have to have it installed. Well, you get the idea. That bit of code is how you will install it. Hate some of these autocomplete things that RStudio does. Yeah. Why is that not oh my gosh. It's trying to do all kinds of stuff on me here. So we'll just try this again. Enough. Hold on a second. Okay, figured out what was going on. I did a silly thing where I have the ggplot was saved as P, and then I was trying to save that as an HTML widget, which doesn't work. So what you got to make sure and do is have your ggplot. So we'll see ggp equals our ggplot, and then we'll say p equals ggplotly ggp, and then we can say print p to get it over there on the right side. And then to save it, we do save widget p. We want to say self-contained equals true, and then save it as file p1.html. And so that's saved, and then I'll look for this one because I don't. So it's saved into my documents folder, and now you can share a web page with somebody, and they can just open this up, or you can embed it somewhere, and they can export this way. So hopefully that didn't take more than 5 minutes of your time, and you can fast forward through me making a lot of weird noises and complaining about stuff not working. All right.